Hey, Walter Sorrells back with another Knife Makers Friday 5. Today, a couple of little mini lessons. First, we're going to make a Japanese sword guard, and second, we're going to make a scabbard chisel. All right, so before I get going on that, though, just in case you're interested, yes, you can buy the scabbard chisels and the tsubas that I show in this video. You can buy them on my website, waltersorrellsblades.com. Before I get to that, however, catching you up on a couple things, I showed how I made this little item right here, a plate quenching gizmo. It's sort of a complicated thing, probably one of the more complicated gizmos I've made. Made some revisions to it. It works great, except when my shop looks like this and my coolant water freezes in 15-degree shop. But anyway, if this is something that interests you, the plate quenching devices, I'm going to be making this is a pretty complicated thing, and so I'm going to make one that's much simpler, and I'm going to test that out. I'll show how that works in an upcoming video, and then whichever ones I feel like going into production with, I'll do that and let you guys know when they're available. Also, I'm testing out a fiber laser right now. Now, I'm on record as loving lasers for knife makers. I've done videos about a bunch of diode lasers. So this fiber laser has some advantages and disadvantages over the diode systems. So anyway, in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'll do a project with that fiber laser, kind of show you how it works. So if you're thinking about getting a laser, you know, I can sort of walk you through what the differences are and what the advantages and disadvantages might be. Finally, got a whole bunch of knives in process here. These are Nightfalls, which I haven't been working on in a while. I've also got a whole bunch of Eclipses. They're going to be a new design or a new spin on the Eclipse, which is my little pocket model. These are going to be skeleton types with no handle. They're going to be Cerakoted, and so I'll do a video about that upcoming, which will walk you through the whole Cerakote thing. If that's something that you're thinking about doing, I'll give you some little hints from my own experience with Cerakoting. Okay, the 3-minute demo of how I made the Damascus sword guard starts now. Hey guys, real quick, if you've been digging what we're doing on the channel here, passing on the craft of knife making for over 15 years here on YouTube, and you'd like to support our channel, you can help us out on Patreon. Not only do you get the good feeling of supporting something that you enjoy and that you believe in, but you get access to plans for many projects that I've done over the years, knives and all kinds of other stuff. Patreon.com/Walter Sorrells. Thanks as always to all my Patreon supporters. All right, let's get back to it. Next mini demo, forging a scabbard chisel. Now, I made a whole lot longer video on a bunch of these things before, but for those of you who didn't, catch those or didn't really want to sit through half an hour of me going through all the nooks and crannies of this stuff, here's the super short version. Hope you enjoyed that. This is kind of a new thing for me, doing little mini demos like this, so I'll probably do them every now and then in Friday Fives instead of my usual big, 20-minute, half an hour long type videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and keep on making those knives. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what we're doing here, please subscribe and make sure that you click on that bell so you get notified of all the latest videos. Want to buy a knife from me? Check out my modern blades at tacticsarmory.com. Digging the channel? You can support our video making efforts on Patreon. I've been banging away on these videos for like 10 years, so I hope you'll show some love for all that hard work. Link in the cards and descriptions. Finally, if you're interested in making Japanese swords, check out my full line of Japanese sword videos where I show how to forge Japanese swords as well as how to polish them and how to make fittings, handles, and scabbards. WalterSorrellsBlades.com.